Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Remember my name. I'm Sam Martin. So today is a musical lesson here with you, and mostly this musical lesson is going to cover about musical notes. We are going to look at musical notes and their value. We shall start with the name, symbol, French name, rest, beat value, then the count of the beats. We have the counts, we have also the beat value. So we need to get the difference between beat value and also the count. Then we have something like French names, rest, the name of the beat, that is English name, then symbol of the beat. So let's start. And before I continue, I want just to conclude that this lesson is equivalent to all grades across. We can have beneficiaries from grade 4 to 6 and also grade 7 to 8 who will benefit in constructing their time, signature, and rhythm because they are composing nowadays rhythms using these beat values. So if you don't know the value of the beat, you are unable to compose also the rhythm. Make sure you subscribe. Let's start. So the first rhythm, the first simple and the highest note is the semi-brief. And semi-brief, this is the symbol for the semi-brief. Symbol of the semi-brief is an oval shape, and the name of the note is semi-brief. The name of the note is semi-brief. Semi-brief. I have said oval in shape, the name is semi-brief. Oval shape, semi-brief. Then the French name, add-on for this, the French name now will have ta, then with other three, French name, I said the symbol is oval, then the name, semi-brief. The French name is ta, You can count like ta, ta, That is the French name for them, the semi-brief. Then the rest of this note, it looks like a graduation gown. You draw something like that, then you share it. You share the rest. The rest of the semi-brief looks like this, like a graduation gown. Ile unavaa gown ya graduation. Okay. Then the beat value is 4. The beat value is 4, which is the highest in music. The highest beat value is 4. Unless if it is dotted, we shall come to learn about dotted, semi-brief, and something like that. But if it is just a semi-brief, which is the highest note, the beat value is 4. Then the count will also be 4. How are we getting the count? We come to a French name. The French name will give us the count. Like we said, the French name of a semi-brief is ta, So let's count. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the counts. So the counts, we get the counts from the French name, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. The count is 4. That is semi-brief. Then we come to the next note, which is, we start with a dotted meaning. We have a dotted meaning, then we go to meaning. This is a meaning, but it is dotted. So when a meaning has a dot, we call it a dotted meaning. We call it a dotted meaning. And the name now will be dotted meaning. Dotted meaning. The name is dotted meaning. Dotted meaning, a meaning with a dot. What about the French name? We shall come to know. This is the French name will be. The French name will be ta, then ta, We go like ta, Again, ta, That is dotted meaning. To the next one now, we go to the rest. The rest, of course, we write the rest of our meaning, which is inverted. The semi-brief rest, inverted. Now we invert it. It was looking downwards. This one will be upwards. Someone said it looks like a mountain looking up. My director, you can zoom to see the rest here. And come close. This is the rest of a dotted minim. So we write the rest of a minim, then we add a dot. A dot like that. I believe we are able to see this. A dot, rest, then a dot. Dotted minim. What about the bit value? Bit value, this one is 3. Then what about the number of counts? We also have 3. How are we having 3? 1, 2, 3. So like 1, 2, 3. That is the count of a dotted minim. Then after dotted minim, we come to which is the next one? A minim now. A minim itself without a dot. So we just write the name will be minim. The name. You just write minim. So what about the French name? We remove, subtract 1, we get ta-a. We get ta-a. You can repeat ta, then a. Ta-a. And how do we clap? We just say ta-a, 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 ta-a. That is simple for minim. And what about now the rest? We just remove the dot from the above dotted minim to have now the minim only. A mountain only. A mountain without a dot. A mountain without a dot. You can see we are just subtracting the dot. And now the value will be 2. 2. How are we getting 2? It is 1, 2. So ta-a. 1, 2. Ta-a. 1, 2. Let's go to another thing. Where we have now after crotchets. After minim, we go to a crotchet. And how do we write a crotchet? The next one is a crotchet. The next bit is a crotchet. And the symbol of a crotchet, we just have the symbol of a minim. Then we shed inside this minim, which is D-like symbol, and we shed inside. So this one is a crotchet. A crotchet. The name is a crotchet. We write like that, crotchet. And how do we clap a crotchet? A crotchet is ta. A crotchet is ta. Kama kuangaza tu ta. Ta. So even that one, you can just simply guess there. You can guess the number of beats and something like that. And then now the rest symbol is in lightning form. You can write a lightning or inverted 7. A lightning or inverted 7. These are the rest. They have to rest. Lightning symbol or inverted 7. Then the number of beats, of course, we have ta, which means we have 1, and the count is also 1, where we count as ta, 1, 1. So this one is a whole note. This one 4 beats, 3 beats, 2 beats, 1 beat, and the number of count is 1. That is a crotchet. And after the crotchet, we come to the second last note, which is a quiver. A quiver. Sorry, my space is running away. That's why I'm trying to squeeze them. A quiver. Let me squeeze it here. A quiver. Something like that. Crotchet. Then you give it a tail, or a beam, or a flag. This one. That is a tail, beam, or a flag. It's just a crotchet, and you give it a tail. This one, a tail, and this one is called a quiver. This one is called a quiver. So how do we write a quiver? The name is a quiver. Quiver. And what do you think will be the beats for this? These ones will be tate. You can see tate. You can say something like tate. 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 Then what about the The rest will be like a walking stick, or 7, a walking stick. Then the value is a half. The count is a half. So how are we getting this? This is just 2 short beats where we have the count will be 2, sorry, because they are short beats. 2 short beats, 2 short beats, 2 short beats where we have tate, tate, tate. Those are 2 short beats, tate, 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 something like that. Then the next one now is a semiquaver. A semiquaver has 2 flags. A semiquaver has 2 flags, as you can see. 1, 2, 1, 2. After quaver, semiquaver, 2 flags. And the value here, the name, you write semiquaver. Semiquaver. What about the value? This one will be tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. French name tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. Tafa tefe. Rest just like 7. Then another flag to be 2 tails. 1, 2. 1, 2. And the value here will be a quarter. The beat value will be a quarter. Then the count will be 4, but shorter ones. 4 shorter ones. That is when we have tafa tefe, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tafa tefe, tafa tefe, tafa tefe. So you count 4, but very fast. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tafa tefe, tafa tefe. But now the beat value is a quarter. The beat value is a quarter. These are the main musical notes with their symbol, the name, the French name, the rest, the beat value, and the count. And this one applies all across the musical classes from grade 4 to to junior school, and also campuses where you learn music. And the highest beat we say is semi-brief. Semi-brief is written in oval with the French name as ta, a. You can look at the rest. Then the number of beat is 4, 4. The next one is dotted minim, where we have ta, a as the French name. The rest is here 3, 3. Then followed by the minim itself now, where we have ta, a. It is here 2, 2. The next one is crochet with ta. Then we say the symbol is in lightning form, or a working inverted 7. Then we have 1, 1. When we go to the last one, second last is quaver, where we have tate as a French name. Then walking stick, or 7. And the value is a half. Then the count is 2, which are 2 short forms. That is when we have tate, tate, something like that. Then the last one is semiquaver, where we have tafa tefe as the French name, then inverted 7 with 2 tails or 2 flags. And the value is a quarter, but the counts are 4, which are short one. This marks today's music lesson. I have been your teacher, Sam Martins. Till we meet to the next class, I hope it will help you for your revision at home, or when you try to forget and also come online, you can subscribe for this and more lessons which are coming. See you in the next lesson. I'm Sam Martins. Thank you. Thank you, my director.